Hi. Log in and click Catalog menu and then navigate to Product page. Here click Add New in the top right. Now select the category you want to add product. Now enter the product name, for example printed hoodie, and then enter the SKU code. Now enter the product selling price and cross price. Now change the stock type as track inventory, and enter the current stock quantity of the product and mention low stock quantity to get notified in the low stock report. And enter the product weight. If required, add description below and click Save. Now click the Product Photo tab, and click Add New to upload the image of the product. And publish the product to view in the website. Here you can see the published product. Now your customers can easily purchase your product.